and welcome to this new video of mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we'll talk about form and how we can create form in Symfony. So first let's go to our post controller and we'll just close this, and here I will make, for here I will comment all of that till here, and I will leave just the post. And now the form in Symfony, we need to create a new variable. Let's name it, for example, form post equal to this dot get, and inside this get we will write the form factory. So form dot factory, and in this form factory there is another method, create builder, create builder, and it has two parameters. The first is the form class, and second is an object. So here in the second we will use the post, and here in the first we will use the class. So form type 2 dot class, and to use that we need to make sure that we use it in here. I don't think he added, so let's add it. So let's use it, use Symfony /component and component with capital C, then extension, I think extension, no, it's form. Let's, so what to be for it, we have form extension, and after the extension core, and then after the core type, and then form type. So form type, and now we are using it. So now we can go in here and start creating our form. So we use the method add, and it has also two parameters. So the first parameter, it's the name of the input in the form, so first title, and the second it's type. So here it's text type 2.2 class. To do it more, let's just copy this and paste it below it. So pass for description, pass for slug, and pass for active. So here description, and let's make it text area. So text area, and here it just with single quote. Here is a slug, so let's type it, slug, and in the end we have active, which will be checkbox. So active, and here in the type checkbox. So let's save. So now we want to add or to view this form in a view, but first let's make now we just declare it, so now let's execute or let's make it. So I will use another variable form, and in it I will use the form post, and inside this form post it's a variable named get form. So get form, and now let's send it to a view. Let me just see here. So this I will also include the return, so that I can create here a new return. So return, and we will use the render since we want to go or to show a view. So return this render, render for the first param, the name of the view, so it's in the block bundle in folder called post, and we will name it, for example, create.html.twig, and here we will send table. Let's have a variable, for example, we name it form with this, for example, and here we will send this form, so $form, and we will use a function called make view, create view, sorry, not make view, so what's option, create view, and it's a function here, with the capital C, semicolon in here, and let's save this. So let's create this view, so we'll just copy it in here, close this entity, go to resource view post, since we are in post, and here I will just click in here, pass the name, hit enter. I'll see the code in here, so we'll just copy this, paste it in here, and delete that. So now I'm extending from the master page of the app, or general master page in Symfony, and to view the form I need to do like this, so form here, and inside it I need to write or to type the name of the variable that I send in here. It's form, so I will just copy it and paste it in here. I will save, and now I will go to navigator and execute this part and see what we will have as an output. So we'll go to the navigator, hit enter, and let's see. And here in navigator he tell me that he couldn't load this type because we didn't. So if we go back to the controller, here we didn't use them in here, so let's use them. It's like this. We will just copy this and paste it for here text area, and here for checkbox. So here we'll add area, and here we will add the checkbox. So now if we save and go back and refresh in our navigator, and here we see this title, and here as type title, here type is text area. Here is also a title, and here a checkbox. So now let's add another so let's add a button of submit in here. So let's do that. Let's go back here, yeah, to controller here. So I will delete this. I will just copy this and pass it in here. Here widget name, for example, save, and here for the type, submit type. So submit, and we need to use it in here. No. So submit type, and I need to declare it also in here. So we'll copy this, and here submit type. So submit type. Let's save. Let's go again and refresh. And here we see that he added the button, submit button. So now if we inspect the element in here, now go to element. Here we see that he created the form. So post ID form with the label and also title, and label, title, and input as type text, and basically all those fields in here. So now how about if I want to give, for example, this input, for example, a placeholder or a class? So how can I do that? So let's go back to our post controller, and here it has this add method. It contains another church parameter. It's optional, and it's an array or a table. So we'll write it like this. We will with an attribute, so ATTR, and inside this it's equal to another array, and in this array we will, for example, placeholder, so placeholder, and we give it, for example, title of the post. If you want also to make, for example, to write a class,